friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sussie Scaries from Criminal Critters, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So let's get started right in the middle, and we're going to draw an arch line for the nose. Underneath that, on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a small curved line for the nostrils. Let's step up for the bottom of the eye. We're just going to continue to curve this line across on both sides. And then coming up, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line over towards the side. Now let's close off the eyes. So right on the top, we're going to arch this line down towards the top of the nose. And then moving over to the outside, we're just going to curve this line back in towards the bottom. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then now let's just color in our eyes black. Now let's come up in the center for the head. We're going to curve this line around and down on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing as we scoop this around and down on the right. Now let's come in on the right hand side for the cheek. We're going to curve this line in. And then now from here, we're going to close off the hand. So on the top coming down, we're going to curve this line around and down. We're going to step over, replicating that, curving that over and through. And then one more time, curving this around and in. Now closing off the side of the hand, we're going to arch this line back across. And now let's close off the arm with a nice big arch line. We're going to connect that on the right. Now let's move up and we're going to draw in the mouth around this. So on the top right, we're going to curve this up, down, and in towards the middle. And then continuing to bring this line across, we're going to curve this up, around, through, and over towards our hand. Now for the tongue in the center, let's curve this over and down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side, bringing this across. For the teeth from the center, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then from that point, we're just going to tuck this around and over on the outside. Now let's come around the mouth here and we're going to curve this over and in. And then we're going to dip this down for the chin, tucking that in towards the hand. Now for the cheek on the left-hand side, curving this around and through. Let's come down and draw in the pendant in the middle. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Moving in towards the middle, let's replicate that again. Now we're going to draw in the number 1. So we're going to draw in the hashtag symbol. And then beside that, we're going to draw in the number 1. Now let's draw in a curved line on the left-hand side, bringing that through. A small diagonal line coming out for the neck. And then we're going to draw in a diagonal line on both sides for the pendant. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out, around, and through towards the middle. And then we're just going to continue to tuck this around and up towards the arm on the right. Coming up, we're going to curve this line across, leaving an even amount of space. Let's replicate that again underneath. Let's move through towards the bottom, curving this line over again. And then one more time as we move down. Now let's draw in the arms. So stepping up, we're going to curve this line down and out. And then coming through on a diagonal, let's replicate that again. Now for the thumb, we're going to curve this line out, around, and in. For that pointer finger, we're going to curve this down, up, and then back over. In the middle, let's curve this around and in. And then lastly, just curving this up and back down, connecting that together. Let's draw in the shell behind. So we're going to curve this line down. We're going to continue to curve that through underneath as we come over on the bottom. Now let's draw in the side part of the shell. So we're going to curve this in. And then from that point, curving this back around and down, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line. Now let's come over on the right. We're going to continue to tuck this through on the side. And then we're going to curve this around and in. And then one more time, curving this down and back through. And then again, just a small straight line. Now lastly, let's draw in the legs. So we're going to bend the knees in. So we're going to bring this in and then back out. Coming over beside that for the top of the foot, we're going to curve this around and down. Now let's curve this line out towards the side for the bottom of the foot. We're going to tuck this line in towards the middle. And then again, we're just going to bring this up on a diagonal. We're going to draw in a small spiral in the knee here. And then now we're going to draw in an arch line on the inside. We'll do the same as we come across in the middle. And then again, stepping over, let's replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw Sussie Scaries. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.